This video is a tutorial on XBM overclocking for JGINYUE Intel 12th 14th generation motherboards, which can be applied to H610Z790 series motherboards. First, after booting, we keep clicking the Del key on the keyboard to enter the BIOS. Then find the Overclock menu on the main interface. Then set the overclocking feature option to the enabled state. Then go to the memory overclocking configuration option. Then we select memory profile, which comes with XBM configuration parameters. Then we adjust the memory voltage here, turn on XBM normally, and select 135V1, 4V for the memory voltage. Here we set it to 1.35 volt. Then find the SA voltage offset here again. If you are using a CPU with a suffix without K, such as 12400F or 13400F, the voltage here does not need to be adjusted. If you are using a CPU with K, such as 12600KF, 13600KF, 14600KF, etc., we need to increase the voltage here by 300 mV to ensure more stable activation of XBM overclocking. We use a CPU of 14600KF here, and we can apply a voltage of 300 mV here. Next, let's go down to the gear ratio option and set the ratio to 1 to run in memory mode with optimal performance. Finally, we press the F10 key to save and restart to enter the system. After entering the system, we first open the Task Manager, click on the memory, and check the running frequency. We can see that the current frequency has successfully run at 3600 mount. However, to ensure stable parameter operation, we can open the TM5 software, add stress code, and conduct a memory stress test until it passes the test. This will be considered as successfully enabling XBM overclocking.